What is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna look at some methods in order to do a little bit of spying and figure out which of the most profitable CPA marketing offers that are promoted by other successful sites. Alright, so when you're in Max Bounty and you're trying to pick an offer, the first thing that you have to do is actually pick an offer. And obviously you want to pick profitable offers that are gonna make you money. And when you're looking at offers, you have things like CPA type, CPA rate, the EPC traffic. So you have a bunch of things, you have a bunch of stats, but none of them are very conclusive. You're not exactly sure which of these stats is actually gonna guarantee, or at least almost guarantee, that you're gonna be able to make some money with this campaign. And obviously we have things like EPC, we have the CPA rate. A lot of people look at EPC, but even EPC is not really a guarantee because you don't know what kind of traffic they're sending. And so one of the ways that I like to see, which offer to promote is I want to see which offers are being promoted by other successful sites. So these are the sites that, people that are running those sites, they spent a lot of resources, a lot of time, and a lot of money into actually making sure the site is successful. So you can bet 100% that they're going to be promoting profitable offers. They're not going to spend a lot of time and money to get those sites up and then monetize them with offers that are not making money, because nobody wants to lose money and lose time and things like that. And so I'm going to show you some methods of actually figuring out which offers to promote based on the fact of how profitable they are and the fact that other sites are promoting them. We're going to be working on work from home niche because I like this niche a lot. There are a lot of offers everywhere. There are always ways of making money with this niche, and that is the niche I want to focus on today. Obviously, this works with pretty much any kind of niche. It doesn't really matter. It's the same method. So this works with any niche you want, but we're going to be focusing on work from home. So if you type work from home here, you're going to get a bunch of offers. And the thing is, first of all, you don't know which offers are profitable or not. The second thing is that these are not all the work from home offers, because if I type something like inbox dollars, which is inbox, I'm going to have these offers, and they don't really show up in the first search, right? Because with Max Bounty, the offers are all over the place. And so you don't really have a guarantee that if you want to, do work from home, you're going to see all the work from home offers. Obviously, you basically have to look at some of the other kind of categories and things like that. But none of this is really important, because in this method, I'm going to show you how it works. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is you want to go into Google and you want to type a phrase that's kind of similar to the kind of offers you're going to be promoting. So, we're working with work from home. And so I basically type a phrase, is legitimate ways to earn money online, right? And this is a combination. You can type any of these phrases, really, and look at the results and see what's happening. So the first thing is that when you're looking at results, you want to basically ignore the big sites, right? So you want to ignore entrepreneur.com, you want to ignore Forbes, you want to ignore Forbes Lifehack, things like that. And the reason you want to ignore the big sites is because there's no guarantee that these big sites are actually going to be monetizing the offers, or even if they're going to be listing CPA marketing offers in the first place, because chances are these big sites, they're monetizing in other ways. Maybe they have ads, maybe they have some special deals and things like that. And so typically, you can take a look at these sites, see what they're promoting, but I would just ignore it. What we're looking for is some of these third-party sites, right? Some of these more independent sites, right? And these are going to be sites like, sites you probably haven't really heard about before unless you're like really deep into this niche. So it's going to be sites like Good Financial Sense, Nerd Wallet, Money Crashers, Dollar Sprout, and you can even go to the second page. And so Dollar Sprout is a site I'm familiar with. It's actually like an independent site. It's run by like 2 people. And I actually did a case study about that site like, some months ago, right? So we're going to go ahead and open this link and see what's happening, right? We're basically going to go and see what kind of content they have, right? And so, I want to see the format. I want to see what they're promoting. What I'm looking for is I want to see what they're doing. So it says pick up some quick wins, and the title is 25 legitimate ways to earn money online, right? So if I'm scrolling down, what I'm asking myself here is, are they promoting CPA marketing offers, or are they promoting something else, right? And in this instance, it looks like they're promoting a lot of CPA marketing offers. Okay, so like Survey Junkie, Windell Research. Surveys are CPA marketing offers. We have Swagbucks. If you scroll down, they also have gig apps, right? So gig apps, Postmates, these are also, all of these, well, like right now, what I'm seeing so far, these are CPA marketing offers. And the reason I see that is because, you know, they're going to be getting a commission based on sign up. They're not promoting like a ClickBank offer or anything like that, right? So if you scroll down, they have this, they have Dosh, cashback apps. All of these are CPA marketing offers. Trim is, this is, could be a CPA marketing. It could not be, you know, maybe they're using some kind of a third-party affiliate program. Now they have, you know, these kind of financial offers as well. And so potentially all of these could be in X Bounty. I know Inbox Dollars is there. I know that Survey Junkie is there. So, you know, you're going to see a lot of these in Max Bounty, and then you might even see some of these other ones in Max Bounty. I haven't seen Windell Research. I haven't seen Trim or anything like that. I haven't seen this Best App. So this is an internal link. Both of these are internal links. We can skip that. Swagbucks, I haven't seen that. We can basically go into Max Bounty and see if we can find swag. Okay, Swagbucks. Okay, there's no Swagbucks, but there's Inbox Dollars, and also there's Survey Junkie as well. We're gonna be able to find that as well. Survey Junkie, Survey Rewards. Do we have Survey Junkie? Let's see, Survey J. Let's try that. And we have Survey Junkie, okay, 20 per lead. All right, so some of these offers are in Max Bounty, and that's a good sign, because if they are promoting them, that means that they're making money with them. And the reason I'm telling you that is that you can check a couple of ways, okay? So the next thing you want to do is you basically want to go to a site called SimilarWeb, and you want to type in that domain. Now, I already did that, and what I'm seeing is stats. I'm seeing monthly stats, and this domain gets a little bit under 1 million visits every single month. And so, you know, that doesn't happen by accident, right? That doesn't happen by accident. They spent a lot of time, they spent a lot of money, they spent a lot of resources to actually make sure they're getting that much traffic. And so this is a really good sign. So it's not like a random site that, you know, somebody basically put on. They have no idea what they're doing, and it's not getting any traffic. If a site is getting traffic for a very competitive phrase, you know, it's not an accident. It takes resources, it takes effort, it takes, you know, a lot of things to get there, right? In other words, the next thing you want to do is you want to go to the site called Uber Suggest. And Uber Suggest is going to tell you how much organic traffic a domain gets, but also based on pages, right? So this is very, very useful. So what we're going to do is we're going to copy and paste this URL into Uber Suggest. We're going to type it in here, and we're going to look at top pages that are getting a lot of traffic, right? And so this is a free tool, absolutely free. And so we have domain overview, Dollar Sprout, right? And they're getting, this is telling us, yeah, almost the same thing, 672,000 visits in March, right? And the other thing is we can go to top pages report, and we can actually break it down into pages. And the reason you want to do that is because a domain might get a lot of traffic, but that specific page that we're interested in might not get a lot of traffic. That happens here and there. Typically, there's a connection, right? If a domain gets a lot of traffic, you know, that kind of page is probably going to get a lot of traffic. And so what we're seeing is a report sorted by pages in the amount of traffic that they're getting. And so we have 19 clever ways to make $50 from home, 23 clever ways to make money fast. And so these pages, these top pages, you can bet 100% that they spent a lot of time, a lot of money, basically putting a lot of resources into making sure these pages are actually showing up on the first page of Google for these very competitive phrases. This is not an accident. And so what you want to do is you want to open these pages, and as the case happens to be, these are all make money online pages, right? So our page is 25 legitimate ways to earn money online. That is the page I stumbled with. And so this is actually, it's probably on this list somewhere. Maybe I'm missing it, but we can basically open the #1 page and see what they're promoting on this page, right? So This is actually the same page. It's 25 legitimate ways, but it's actually called 19 clever ways. So the old title was 19 clever ways, and that's what's showing up here. They actually changed it. They updated the page, and Google hasn't had the time to crawl it. Well, actually, this tool hasn't yet had the time to crawl it yet. And so we can also open this other page, right? Because it's also an important page for them, obviously. And we can take a look at this, see what offers. And once again, right, this is another page, but they're basically promoting Postmates. They're promoting Survey Junkie again. They're promoting Swagbucks. And this is an entirely different page. They also have these quick wins, right? And the fact that this page is number one, like one of the highly trafficked pages on the site, and they basically chosen to have some more links here. And this is an important signal, because they have paid survey opportunities, deliver with Postmates, Instacart shopper, negotiate bills with Trim. These offers, whatever they're doing here, right? Instacart, actually Instacart is in Max Bounty. So if we go back to Max Bounty, we type Instacart. I think I've seen it there, right? There we go. Shopper, driver, we have two offers. You can bet that this offer is making decent money because they're promoting. They don't have to promote it, right? They can promote, something else, but the fact that they're promoting means that they're making money with this page, right? We have Postmates, we have Trim. Let's try if we find these offers on Max Bounty. So something like Postmates. Let's see, is it here? There it is, Postmates. I haven't even seen this offer before, actually. And as the case happens to be, it's in Max Bounty, and we can promote this offer. So with this method, you can discover offers that you probably wouldn't have discovered otherwise. Because I am sure 100%, I've done various searches and queries in Max Bounties for Postmates delivery, which is kind of like Uber Eats from what I understand. And I have never seen this offer, right? And there it is, offer 32 per lead, EPC, display, incentive, social, traffic. You can even do incentive, so you can bribe people with it, things like that. And so this gives us a lot of interesting angles, right? So we can go back, Trim. Let's see if Trim shows up there. Trim, I have never seen that offer before. And there it is, Trim 14, freeze to Trim. So I think this is something else, right? Let's open up Trim, negotiate bills with Trim. Let's go in this Trim. We're going to show you how Trim works. Trim is, what is Trim? Get alerts on your spending. So this is a financial app, and I believe what we're seeing is weight loss, right? Freeze to Trim. I think that is something else. This is some body fat cell. This is something else entirely. And so this doesn't connect, but the other offers are in Max Bounty, right? And so this method is amazing because you're gonna discover offers that you wouldn't have discovered otherwise. So I have here another page, right? 15 best work from home online jobs. This is another page that I discovered using this method, and they're basically promoting, like, one of the first things that they're doing, and this page gets a lot of traffic. Let's go into Uber Suggest and let's type that page in, and let's see if it's getting a lot of traffic or not. It's from a site called wallethacks.com, and we want to see, does it get a lot of traffic or not? What is happening? And here we are. So this page, this is actually, what is the name of that page? Online jobs from home, 15 best online jobs. And let's scroll down and see if we can find it. There we go, 50 online jobs from home. And this page is getting 10,000 visits a month, right? Which is also a very good amount, which is also took a lot of effort and time to do it. It's actually their fifth ranking page, right? So if it's fifth ranking, you can bet that they spent a lot of time optimizing. And why are they spending all this time optimizing? Because they're making money from this page. That's how you can tell. And look at this. When we are scrolling down, right, one of the, people list offers, they list their best converting offers at the top of the page. They're not going to list their best converting offers over there in the footer somewhere, like buried somewhere, right? They want to list it at the top because they want people to click on it and sign up so they get their commission. And so we have Survey Junkie, Branded Survey, Swagbucks, Inbox, My Points, Pinecoin Research. So Survey Junkie is there, and they say it's best option. So you can bet they're making money from it, 100%. Branded Surveys. Let's try Branded Surveys and see if that's in Max Bounty. Branded. I'll just type Branded. And Branded doesn't show up. Okay, let's try something else. Swag. Swag is not. Inbox Dollars is there. My Points, Pinecoin Research. Let's try My Points and Pinecoin Research. My Points. See if it shows up. No, it's not there. And then Pinecoin Research. And there we go. Pinecoin Research US, $5.50 per lead, 36-cent EPC. There you go. I have never seen this offer before, and I spent a lot of my time in Max Bounty. I basically live inside this dashboard, and so I have never seen this offer before. And now you see it, right? So this is another page. Yet I'm going to show you another page. This is the Savvy Couple Survey Junkie review, right? They actually made an entire post reviewing Survey Junkie, and the reason they did that is because they're making money off this CPA marketing offer. So if we go to Uber Suggest and we type this page, and let's see how much traffic this page gets. And so this page is actually their 4th highly ranked page. It's only getting 2,000 visits per month. And I say only, which is still a pretty good amount. It's actually a survey page. And if they decided to actually do a review, that means they're making money from it. So Survey Junkie is pretty much showing up in all of these sites. You can bet 100% that they're actually making good money. So, I guarantee you that's the fact. And that is the method. You can basically discover a lot of other sites. The other way, a lot of other successful offers, excuse me. So the other way you can do it is you can basically go into Dollar Sprout, copy in that, go into Uber Suggest, type it back in here and see their top ranked pages, right? So we have 19, we already looked at these pages, paid online surveys, right? We can open that and see which survey offers are, doing well. Work from home jobs, all of these top 5 pages, and they also have a Survey Junkie review. All of these top 5 pages are making them money, right? They're profitable for them. So definitely take a look at that. I guarantee you, if you use the offers there, they're going to be making money. I know that from my own experience because I also spend time promoting these offers, and I do promote them from some of the other sites that I have from time to time. And so guaranteed, these are going to be. So if you're not sure what kind of offers to start with on Max Bounty could be a very intimidating place for beginners and things like that. And so this is going to give you a very good opportunity. And this method works for any niche, right? All you have to do is basically go onto Google, type in a phrase that, approximately describes the kind of content people might be looking for. If it's online jobs, legitimate ways to earn money online. If it's something else, you're going to have to find a phrase for that. Describes. And you want to find basically pieces of content from third-party sites, right? You don't want to go to entrepreneur.com because, their chances are they're going to be monetizing it some other way, not CPA marketing offers. You want to go onto these independent sites, Dollar Sprout, Money Crashers, NerdWallet, Good Financial Sense, and you're going to be able to look at the content and see what they're promoting. And if they're promoting CPA marketing offers, you can go into Max Bounty, find them, and try to promote them yourselves. All right, guys, so that is the method I wanted to show you today. It's a very, very versatile and flexible method. You can use it in all kinds of niches. It's absolutely free, and it provides a good starting point for discovering the kind of offers that you can start promoting with. All right, guys, so if you've gotten value from this video, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Would be happy to help you out. All right, guys, so once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you real soon.